Now we can move ahead with our next tool, which is known as Frame tool. Kindly click on this icon and make use of another file which is created already in my Adobe Photoshop. Here I'll be making a rectangle using the frame tool here. Now I have made a frame. Now let me drag this image from this file by using the move tool. As you can see, now this layer is above the frame, that's why nothing is happening. But when I move this layer into the frame, let us see what happens. As you can see, the image has been cropped, or it is only available in the which we have made. So frame tool has many uses and we will be using it in our tutorials ahead. In order to change the size of the frame, first click on this frame and then click on Ctrl T. And you can see that it expands in a ratio. In order to have a free expansion, click on Shift and drag it along. And if you want to resize the image, kindly click on the image and click Ctrl T. Now you can resize the image according to your wish using the move tool.